Alright. We're out here at the excavator. Told him after it warms up, we'll roll him on the sled. I'm gonna run the sled first, be on it. I'll let him turn me, and then I'll give him a whirl. What do you think? You ready? No?
Let's go. Hurry up.
Alright. I'm gonna track over here to the middle, out of everywhere. Hey guys, I have been waiting to do this here. We're gonna go over here and get away from everybody else, or the sides, and then that will be time to have a little bit of fun. I'm gonna let him pull me first, just because be on the safe side, make sure everything goes smoothly. So one of the times that this excavator goes a little slow, I wish it went a little faster. I'm pretty excited. Once again, this is it's a Kobelco 2014 sk210. Now I'm sure every excavator can do this and have a little bit of fun. So I'm gonna do it slow. It's all about safety, and Dad's got to go first. I think pretty close to where I want to go. Main things to be out away from everybody, fences. It's going to be an extreme mandatory not to go very fast. Let's do a sample. Okay. All right, Christopher. No. We got the strings right out here. I'll go a little more. Come on over here. Okay, when you do this, just look, Christopher, watch. This is the speed. We don't want to go very fast because it's a lot faster out there than what it's really going. Just use this left-hand joystick only. Put the bucket down just a little bit. A little bit more. Right there, be good. Okay, nothing fancy. Which way you want to go? You want to turn that way? As you see, we haven't done this yet. This is going to be the first go, so if it's a major fail, you're going to be right here with us. Okay, go for it. Go a little bit faster. Woo. Now it's now this is like the tube on the out in the water, out the lake. Go a little bit faster. Yeah, baby. Okay. All right. Christopher's turn. Woo.
I'm dizzy.
You're dizzy, I'm dizzy. Woo. All right, guys, here we go. Woo. Gotta hold on. Ready? Faster or slower? Woo. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you go for now. Well, what'd you think? Was it fun?
Yeah. There's scar on my.
There's what?
There's a thorn bush out there we need to cut.
All right, well, we gotta make sure things are safe before we do it again.
Yep, I'm gonna break the thorn and get it over.
All right, we're letting you go. Bye.